All right, so talking about reverse engineering. So the first thing is defining your purpose, making sure you are clear on who you are and what you want to achieve. Then secondly, we want to make sure our goals match our purpose, that you're not chasing someone else's goals. And then the most important part is, now that we figured out what we want to do, we're going to have to schedule that, right? And so that's where a planner like this comes in handy. So there's going to be certain tasks that I need to act on and take action to make sure that I achieve my goals that leads to me being able to give away $100,000. Those tasks aren't just going to happen by themselves. So I need to schedule them, I need to prioritize them, and then I need to make sure that I have the proper habits and rituals that allow me to look at and follow through with everything that I've designed and created so that I can be able to reach my goal. That's a great example of reverse engineering. It seems like a lot of work, and depending on who you are in the beginning, it may be a lot of work if you've never done anything like this before. However, it's so worth it. So do the work now. I always say, plan the work, then work the plan. Dr. Kenyon, Godwin of Dreams Consulting, helping you maximize your purpose.